thought about what makes a guy attractive? It's not just about the physical stuff, it's the whole package. Let's break it down. First of all, subscribe to our channel now. More helpful content is coming for you. Back to the video. So, when a guy decides to up his game in the looks department, the physical changes usually happen faster than the mental ones. Some guys who might have been on the heavier side during their earlier days can transform into eye-catchers, but they still carry some insecurities. Now, sex appeal is like this secret sauce, and it's not just about how you look. It's a mix of your physical appearance, your personality, your confidence, and your energy all coming together in a kind of magnetic harmony. Let's kick it off with the physical aspect. Having a great physique is a plus. You don't need to be a gym rat, but being healthy, fit, and taking care of your body matters. How you present yourself is crucial too. Wearing clothes that fit well, not too baggy or too tight, can make a difference. Masculine features like a strong jawline, facial hair, and the whole 9 yards can boost your attractiveness. But it's not just about going to extremes. Studies show that average features, a balanced mix, are often what people find most appealing. And here's a fun twist. It's not just physical features that matter. It's also about how you carry yourself, your charisma, kindness, intelligence, and even your voice. It's a blend of the tangible and intangible. Everyone has their own type, and that's okay. You can be your best self, and it still won't appeal to everyone. But when someone is your type, even if they don't have all the ideal qualities, you'll still find them attractive. Now, bodily awareness is a big deal. It's about how you move, whether you're a good dancer, a martial arts enthusiast, or just confident in your stride. It signals self-assuredness, and people pick up on that. Mysteriousness adds another layer of intrigue. Being a bit enigmatic, revealing just enough to keep people curious but not everything, that's the charm. Listening more than you talk makes you seem deep and keeps conversations interesting. Having a way with words and being eloquent and quick-witted is another weapon in your attractiveness arsenal. It can set you apart in a crowd and even deter unnecessary teasing. So, it's not just about the physical stuff. It's a complex mix of various traits and characteristics that define your sex appeal. Be true to yourself, and the right people will find you sexy. It's all about the balance between the external and internal, from a chiseled physique to the art of conversation. In the end, true attractiveness is about who you are and how you interact with the world.